Call, Park and Retrieve allows you to park and pick up calls on any phone within your company. While you're on a call, press Park Call. You will then be notified that your call has been successfully parked. Within the Parked Calls tab will be all the parked calls within your company, including the names of each contact or the telephone number and how long each call has been waiting. If a call remains parked without being retrieved for a set period of time, it will automatically recall to the handset that initially parked the call. You will see in the call window that this is a recalling number. You can retrieve calls that any handset in your company has parked by pressing Retrieve Call.